Ay, 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 ay. I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a
Hey guys,
fling.
what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I am Miss Lovely, back with another video. If you are new to the channel, then hey girl, hey, what's up? What's goody, baby? I am Miss Lovely. If you are an oldie but a goodie, hashtag in the comments. Not now, but right now, an oldie but a goodie. And you guys, today is a very, very special day. Today is Father's Day. But I'm pretty sure by the time you guys see this footage, it'll be Father's Day will probably be gone or whatever. But I saw this little DIY project that a young lady did on Pinterest, and I think it was for it's like a Father's Day bouquet or whatever. So me and my family get ready to head out to see my dad. I really don't talk about Mother's Day too much because you guys already know my mother is no longer with us, and I only got my daddy left. And if you guys don't know, I am the only child, so therefore I am a daddy's girl. Me and my daddy are really, 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 really close. So Father's Day is a day that I really, really cherish, along with celebrating my father-in-law, my dad, and of course my husband. But it's just, so yeah, so Father's Day is a day that we do celebrate here in our household. So if you guys hear water running, that's because the washing machine is going right now. But in the meantime, I saw this little DIY project that I want to try really, really quick. It revolves, it's basically like a man bouquet. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, set you guys up, and just let y'all watch me do it because I'm in a hurry. I'm actually downstairs and everybody else is upstairs going to get dressed so we can meet my dad for dinner. But I'm about to start this little DIY project. Hopefully it'll turn out right, you guys. But I'm going to just turn the camera around, let you guys watch me while I do this, and hopefully it'll turn out all right, okay? I've never tried this before. I've never done this before, so we're going to see what it do.
Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All the time. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah. When I think about you, when I think about you, I feel la la la. When I think about you, I want.
This is so cute.
The one, what do you say, live American?
Finally don't get up, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in
We
it.
looking at it,
Stay in the
Is
moment.
that the right size?
Stay in the moment with me.
You need a large?
Moment.
That's a size large.
You moment with me.
You need an extra large.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Rip your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down
You got
for
to
a
look and see what
while.
else in
Let the
there.
flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment.
Black?
Give you a moment with me. Smell all
But
the
I think all of them the same size though.
smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment.
Follow them next week too.
Stay in the moment with me.
All the same size. You can get a size of.
Yep. You gonna have to tell your papa bye?
Always do.
All right, Dad. Tell the people, hey.
Hello, y'all.
Any words of wisdom or words of encouragement to the people?
To the Murrays when you get a chance, to Grange, North Carolina.
Murray's. Ma'am?
Save because times are different now than what they used to be. But God is still on our side. If you don't believe He is, ask me. Numero uno, number one. Hasta luego. Until later.
All right, Dad.
Real more. Love y'all.
All right, love you too.
Finally don't get enough. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one.